On the authority of Abdullah bin Mas'ud radiallahu anh, and he said, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he is the truthful and most believed, said, each one of you has been brought together in the mother's womb for 40 days as a nutfa, then an alaqa for a like period, then a mudghah for a like period, then an angel is sent down to blow a soul into him in 4 matters: to write down his rizq, his actions, and his lifespan, and if he'll be happy or unhappy. By the one, verily one of you will act upon the people of paradise until there's but an arm's length between him and it is written and overtakes him, and he acts upon the people of hellfire, thus enters it. And verily one of you will act upon the people of hellfire until there's but an arm's length between him and it ran overtakes him, and he acts upon the people of paradise and thus enters it. On the authority of Nu'man bin Bashir radiallahu anhu, who said, I heard the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, that which is lawful is clear and that which is unlawful is clear, and between the two there are both doubtful matters that many people do not know about. So thus, if you avoid those doubtful matters, he has cleared himself from his religion and his honor. And that which is unlawful, that you fell in it, which is unlawful. So like the shepherd who pastures around a sanctuary. Truly every king has a sanctuary. Like Allah's sanctuary is based off of his prohibitions. Truly there's no morsel of flesh that if it's whole, the body is whole, but if it's diseased, the body is diseased. Truly that is the heart. On the authority of Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu, who said, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, what I have forbidden you, do not do. What I have told you to do, I have ordered you to do as much of it as you can. It truly is excessive questioning and disagreeing with the prophets that destroyed the nations before you.